Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another video doing decluttering. I was supposed to wait and do Austin's room after the holidays because he has a new dresser coming in, but this is gonna be a two-part video because his room is out of control and it's just giving me so much anxiety and him. Like, he just cannot physically keep it clean because it's just a trash hole. There's no other way to say it other than that. It's insane. Let me show you. So his bed obviously is fine. He's big into Imaginext, so he's got a ton of these things that he wants to keep in his room, but they're just too big to keep in there. Backpack he was playing with, like that's not even a school backpack. And there's just stuff all under here. These drawers are filled with junk, shoes, books, tissues, random stuff. Like, this is a small room, so it gets very cluttered very quick. And then we've got just this, looks like, I don't know, Fisher-Price Imaginext stuff just threw up over here. So we got that, and then that's not even the worst part. Yep. Out of control. Absolutely. Stuff over there, stuff over there. There's obviously all of this. Like, it's a disaster. So what's happening is he's getting a new dresser with a TV stand. And yes, I know this is ridiculous that a 6, almost 7-year-old has a TV like this, but it was our oldest son, who's almost 15. It was his TV, and we have nowhere else to put it, and it's a brand new TV. So, because he has one downstairs, so we weren't going to throw it out. He doesn't watch it that much without us anyway, so I digress. But it's a dresser that matches their beds and his nightstand, so it will go right here, and it's got drawers on it, and it also has a like entertainment center part, so it's got a place for the TV and then a little lip to put like his cable box and the Xbox and things like that. So then this will go in the closet, and I'll have a whole different closet set up, but that will be in the next video. We just really need to declutter. Like, a ton of his clothes don't fit, so we're like trying to sort through all that, and a lot of these toys need to get put downstairs. Like, and half this, like, his room's not even like done. Like, these are all things that were Brendan's, like all the stuff that's on the walls. He doesn't have all his stuff. The only thing he really has is his new bedding and those stickers on the wall, because it's very hard to find Mario themed like pictures. So if you guys see any anywhere, let me know. But we're gonna start by dealing with the clothes. If we get the clothes and these big toys done, I'll be happy. So wish me luck. This is not what I wanted to be doing the day before Thanksgiving, before Christmas Eve, but it needs to get done, because I know come tomorrow and come Christmas, it's just going to explode and be 10 times worse. So let's get started. So I first went through all of the stuff that was on top of his dresser and went through all of that. My aunt gave me a ton of clothes recently, and we used a bunch of them, but Austin just had like a big growth spurt, so unfortunately I had to pass a lot of the stuff on, but it was just kind of all piled up there on top of his dresser. So I kind of organized all of that, and then he and I both went through all of the clothes together to make sure what we did keep, he did like and was going to wear, which I feel like is a big part of organizing a kid's room. Like, you need to really make sure they are involved in it, because if not, you know, they'll say, that was my favorite shirt, even if you haven't seen them wear it in a year. To them, it's their favorite shirt. So I made sure that both of the kids are involved in the decluttering of all of their stuff in their rooms. I want you now, now. Yeah, you're the one that so cute, just standing there with his arm crossed as I am pulling things out. And actually he was going, yeah, that's my favorite shirt. I love this shirt. Everything was his favorite. So I'm glad, like I said, that he was involved in the process. But we did put away a bunch of the stuff. So he had a ton of shorts and stuff still out. So all of those still fit him, but I am just putting them away in the attic with his summer stuff because the dresser is so small. I mean, it's really not. He just has too many clothes to fill it, but the dresser, it's just not working right now. So that was just the best way for me to be able to organize his things. I think I kept like 2 pairs out because he does like to wear them around the house, but the rest just went up in the attic.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right.
So now we are on to the toy portion of this video. We have tackled all of his clothes, which was a big job. And I have him starting to go through some things. And there was this little basket that was off to the side that needed to be organized because it had shoes and all sorts of random things in it. So he and I are going to go through everything. We had a laundry basket that had just had Legos, so anything that was big, I just kept having him go put it with the things where they belong, so like the Legos with the Legos downstairs in the playroom, and things like that. But it was pretty good, and we were able to donate a lot of stuff, so I was very proud of him for that.
I don't know why you make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why, I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you. 'Cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine.
are just going to get started on Austin's nightstand. We just did a little reorganizing and keeping his special things in there so they do not get lost, and it wasn't much. I didn't let him keep too many toys in there just for the sake of keeping things clean, and he wanted some snuggles, which I am always down for, and we were discussing making sure we keep our rooms neat. Alright, so this is all to donate. This is going to a neighbor. In these drawers, I put this little organizer for some of his little things. And down here, there's just a few things, some clothes. I think my sister made him a little video game. This little, I rocked the first day of first grade crown, something he made at school, and this little bumblebee. Then still a bunch of stuff to pick up. These are all Legos and stuff that's going downstairs. Those are all Imaginext pieces that are going downstairs. Those are shoes, and somehow he ended up with like 14 boxes of tissues, so those are coming out. These are all his books. And then in this bin, I just have his Pokemon book, which I probably could put up here and empty that out. And then in here is just his Lego clock. It doesn't really work well. And then we have, whatever this is called. I don't know what this is called. Nintendo DS. But we don't have the charger for it, so we have it in case we find the charger, because we did have it at one point. And then his nightlight and the Xbox controllers. And here, all his clothes are now organized, and some of these down here are like clothes that are too big for him that I'm saving, so that's what that is down there. Dress shirts, jeans, and dress pants, and then just nicer shirts. Then I gave him this bin to keep his iPad and his charger and all that stuff, because it doesn't have a home for it, so now it does. And here's just his bathing suit, and he got a new school winter hat, so I just have that laying there for now. His lotion, his piggy bank, tissues, and this special little snow globe that our church gave to him. And then I hung up all his hats. I just put push pins in the wall and hung up all his hats. And now his drawers are very neat. Got rid of a ton of stuff. Like now this, didn't get rid of all of his shorts. He still wears some shorts like now around the house, so I left 2 pairs out. And then these are all his sweatshirts. So I am going to clean all of this out, but then there will be a part 2 to this video when he gets his dresser, and I can do a little bit better at organizing the closet and the toy situation, but at least this is a lot better for now. This was a 2-phase process. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.